Welcome to the Quiz Carnival. Can you guess the country name with missing letter? Let's get started. Can you guess the country name? It's Germany. Can you guess the country name? The country is Turkey. Can you guess the country name? It's Sri Lanka. Can you guess the country name? The country is Russia. Can you guess the country name? It's Norway. Can you guess the country name? The country is Sweden. Can you guess the country name? It's Egypt. Can you guess the country name? The country is Italy. Can you guess the country name? It's Colombia. Can you guess the country name? The country is Argentina. Can you guess the country name? It's India. Can you guess the country name? The country is Peru. Can you guess the country name? It's Paraguay. Can you guess the country name? The country is Brazil. Can you guess the country name? It's France. Can you guess the country name? The country is Japan. Can you guess the country name? It's Spain. Can you guess the country name? The country is China. Can you guess the country name? It's Canada.